Hi, I'm Tony's Final Hillside Christmas Tree Farm. Today we're going to do some work on our money hut, and we're actually going to change out one of our solid pay temporary windows for something clear to let some light through. Original design of the money hut was to have two kind of cash registers. That's why there's a counter here. And in the past, the front door was kind of a split door, so you would pay in the front and also pay in the back. That was in the 90s. We were selling a lot of trees. Now we're not so much, and we actually added kind of a bump out of the front, made it real wide, so we could have two lines just out the front. So we really don't need the pay booth side here anymore. And during last year, it was a nice out. We opened this up, and there's a lot of light that came through, and it made it pretty nice, a lot nicer to work in. So my wife, who's the cashier, said, hey, it'd be nice if we could do something. So we're gonna do that today, and trim it out. We using this UV, some plastic thing we had left over from another project. I'll talk about that later. And we're gonna make a little makeshift window here. So why don't you follow along? All right, that kind of does it for this project. So I think one of the most time-consuming things is my generator kind of didn't work for kick and start the air compressor using the braid nailer. So having to wheel that thing back and forth to the barn was very time-consuming. And then we eventually just ran an extension cord from the barn all the way out here, and that made it go a lot quicker. So, you know, we see the window, I caulked it all up, and now you can kind of see a little bit better the main pay booth here, which is probably, you know, 4 feet wide, that we could have 2 cash registers going through it all time. So if we ever, you know, get that big and have to have 2, we'll be ready to go. Yeah, so that's about it. Got some, you know, woodchucks that are digging underneath it, so we'll have to get the trap out and take care of that. And yeah, no, I haven't put a video out in a while, but I'm gonna do a couple today, so should get back in the routine of doing this. So, all right, that does it. Actually, the plastic I just got from Menards, so I got it in a 4x8 sheet. Used one top of it for the roof of the ATM shed, which I kind of mentioned. I'll talk about that here shortly. And yeah, all right, that's it. Getting to be fall on the farm. Today is September 22nd, so we're a couple months away from getting things really moving. So, all right, thanks.